Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancer. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. I'll be picking cards from two decks for your daily energies. So it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever card you want to watch, you can watch that reading, guys. So this is deck number 1 for your daily energy. We are picking 5 cards each, and this is deck number 2. So if you are interested to watch the second deck, you can skip to that reading. I have given the timestamp for this second deck in the description, guys, so you can watch that. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So that is your Oracle Guidance, guys. We will open that card at last. So we will start with this deck, guys, deck 1. So we will keep these cards here for your daily energies, Cancer. King of Wands in reverse, 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands in reverse, the Hierophant, and Ace of Cups. With these cards here, Cancers, I see here that some new beginnings are coming your way, guys. Something which you are really passionate about, something which you love. Maybe for some of you all, if you are interested in some person, they may be coming towards you also, guys. Something which you have that passion about, maybe your relationship, or it may also relate to something in your work. So it gives you great joy and happiness. So those kinds of beginnings are coming your way, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, it may definitely be a new relationship, guys, a new person coming in towards you, towards this connection, towards having that meaningful connection with you. And maybe for some of you all, there may be people who may be giving you some suggestions. You may be getting their suggestions or getting their views about something, about this relationship or about your personal life, maybe about these new ventures, something. But they are giving you some stern advice, something really tough that you cannot follow. Maybe you feel maybe those advice, it may be based on their selfishness, guys. So you should not listen to them. That is what I feel here. Someone trying to deceive you some way, or cloud your mind in some way, maybe trying to turn your mind from something. And they may be selfish, they may be doing it because they are jealous of you, Cancers. That may also be the energy here. Jealousy may be the reason for them working in a particular way. They may try to control you in certain decisions and make you do some things which you do not like, and they may try to impose their decisions on you. That is what I see here. And maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, there may be people who do not like you, who may be working against you, guys, Cancer. So you need to be careful. That is what I see here. And also I see here that you are a person of great patience. You have patience in any situation, how you handle your life, how you handle your work pressure, and you are a person who gives lot of attention to details. So in your work or in your personal life, people appreciate you for that, and you have that practical knowledge and skill and ability to do anything, guys. So that may be the reason for your success, and people may be jealous because of that also. So you need to be clearly aware of such people and try to avoid them, stay away from them, guys. They may be jealous because of some new opportunities coming your way, or this new person coming your way, guys. So you need to be careful about those people. Let us see what are these cards, Cancers, the second deck. So those of you who are interested in this reading, we will start this reading now. Cancers, Lady, Fish, Key, Choices and Sun. With these cards here, Cancers, the energy for you all, guys, is that you are having lots of choices today, guys. Some choices in your work or in your personal life, maybe you are faced with certain decisions that you need to make. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, your person you are in relationship with, they have great aspirations in their life. They have some goals they want to reach before this deep commitment. So they are working towards that. Their focus is on their career, and success is within reach for them, guys. That is also the energy here. They are reaching success. So they want to quickly finish their responsibility, their work responsibility, then they want to come towards you. That may be the energy for some of you all. And maybe for some of you all, you have that prosperity, abundance. You may be spending lavishly, guys, on few things, or you may be doing something excessively, maybe some habits or something you are doing in excess. So you need to go for moderation. That is also the energy. So you need to keep a check on that. And maybe for some of you all, you would have had some difficult situations in your life, some stressful situations, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. You are going to get clarity in that situation, and good luck is there. You are going to get that clarity and that inspiration, confidence, whatever you need to reach that success. And maybe for some of you all, it may relate to your work or your personal life. You would have felt that you are missing some crucial element in your work, maybe some person or some effort on somebody's part, something, or somebody's help or support in your personal life, something. So that element is coming to you. You are reaching that, you are getting that, whatever you need for your success, guys. Cancers, that is also the energy here. So things are maybe certain things, maybe your person is focused on something else, but I feel here that destiny is playing its part, guys. That is the reason you have this person in your life. Things are going in a positive way towards that success, prosperity and abundance. That is what I see here. So what is the card, the oracle card for you all, Cancers? Go the distance. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in life, in whatever activities that we do, guys, we have to do it with that confidence, with that endurance, go till the end, finish it, whatever we take up. So have that determination to complete anything. So when we do that, when we are able to complete whatever we take up, we will get prosperity in our life, guys. So even in our relationship, so for the better of worse, whatever struggles we are facing, we have to work with that endurance and dedication towards that unity in our relationship. When we do that, we will be able to get that understanding in our relationship, guys, and things will go for the better. That is what I see here. And even in your work situation, whatever efforts, your ideas and hard work, whatever you are doing, sometimes it may give you success and sometimes it may give you failures, but you need to keep your momentum, you need to keep going till you reach your dreams. That endurance should be there. So this is the card for that. So whatever goals you have, whatever dreams you have, it is all in your hands to make you reach till you taste success, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be doing more of such readings, guys. Thanks again. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, Cancers.